Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, rips, tears and bits of cardboard that have come away. So what you're going to need is some PVA glue. You're going to need scalpel, gum tape, scissors, and cotton bud. So for this first one, a little bit of PVA glue and your cotton bud, and glue it back into place. Any excess glue, use a bit of kitchen paper, lightly moisten it, and then just dab it away. Now, where you've got damage like this, and like this, some people, for a quick fix, will get some of this gum tape, cut it to size and stick it there, holding it together. To me, that's not a very good fix. So what I prefer to do, using one of these scalpels, you've got to be very careful. You need to separate the layers of the cardboard. And just bear with me while I do that. Okay, you see, now separated them. You have to be careful when you're doing it not to go through either side, which I've not. The next thing you're going to do, gum tape. Measure a piece you need, cut it to the right size, need to wet it, double it over, ideally let it dry first of all, and then what you're going to do is to put some PVA glue onto your gum tape. Slide it in one side, let it dry, slide it in the other side, pull the box together, bit more of PVA glue, and then push this outer layer of the cardboard over to cover it up. So I just got to trim a little bit more off this. So now like that. Once it's in, a bit more PVA glue. Now I want to fold these just back over. And excess glue again. Or some kitchen paper. Wipe it away. Then the next thing you want to do, more gum paper. Wet the sticky side. And apply it to the inside of your box. And there we are, gum tape in there as well to reinforce the inside. Keep it in place while it dries. That's the outside done. Leave that to dry. When it's dry, you then go over one of these. This is a Molotow acrylic paint pen. Dries matte, but it doesn't matter because once all the box has been repaired, I go over with this clear varnish, blends the black in, it brings the colours out and it protects the print. So all you have to do with these is just give them a shake, push the nib down on another piece of card, wait till the paint comes out and then just applies. And that's basically it. So that's how I repair these tears, and it also reinforces them. The tears like that, exactly the same thing. Separate layers of the card, insert some of this gum tape, and then to hold it in place what you could use is some of these pegs. Remember to put a piece of card on the inside and outside to protect the card. You don't want marks from these pegs on your box. Or simply add some weight to the inside of the box. So there we go. That's how I repair these rips and tears. Thanks for watching this video.